Hey guys, Jaenna Cali here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday cat eye winged liner look. So if you want to learn more, keep watching. Let's go! Hello, so today I'm going to be using Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D in the color Trooper Black. I want to make this tutorial super fun and easy for you, as I was also once a beginner and I like to make it quick and simple. This eyeliner uses a brush-like tip, just like you're painting something, instead of a foam-like tip. I find it just super easy to use, as you have more control over it. So as you can see, what I like to do first is to visualize where I'm going to put the brush and where I'm going to outline on my eye. Sometimes I like to start mid-eye, so I start right there in the middle of the eye and just start tracing my eyelid. Don't worry if it comes out light, it's just the outline. And then I like to flick it up, just like so. There you go. You can stop there if you like the thickness of it, or you can keep on layering if you want to make it more thicker. And then I start at the very, very beginning of my eyelid and then trace it all the way to the end and up the flick. I like to do that because it makes it easier once you already know your guidelines. And now we move on to the other eye. Same thing again. You can start in the middle of your eye, all the way to the end and flick. And voila, you have your two eyes. Once you're done, you can double check if there are any smudges or any uneven lines. And what I would do if there is, I would just go over it again, just making sure the lines are solid and the cat eyes are even. Strike a pose, see if you like your look. As well, I put the links to the products I use in this video down below. Super fun. And now we're moving on to the mascara. Yay! So just go ahead and untwist that, wave the wand a bit for fun, make sure there's enough product on there, and just start flicking up your lashes. And if you don't have an eyelash curler, that's completely okay. I don't have one either. So we're just gonna keep applying the mascara. And what I like to do when I wear it is I like to go down on the bottom lashes and follow up with 2 strokes up lashes. There's a lot of products, so you don't need that much. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye! For more videos, check out my YouTube channel or click some of the videos here, and feel free to follow me on some socials like Instagram. Don't be a stranger and say hi. And feel free to leave a comment down below on any other videos you'd like me to do. Thanks guys, bye!